So we got from Dr. Co. So kita akan unboxkan dia. Keluar dah. This is aqua gel sunscreen, which is broad spectrum, SPF 55, harga dia 180. This one is Essence 120. Oh, Essence ni lagi murah daripada itu sunscreen. And this one is Pimple Solutions Bio Dermadex 88, and this one is the cleanser, Bio Perform Cleanser 120. This one. The three ingredients there: aqua, sodium. Tak ada SLS, tak ada what we call that, benzoyl or anything. This is the aqua hydrating gel. This is the Essence punya ingredient. The ingredients just like mentioning like that, which is good. Okay, so kita unbox dia. This is the cleanser. Okay, kita unbox dia. Wow, this is the cleanser. I like this kind of cleanser sebab dia macam easy. Dia macam just wear this thing out. It's very easy, very practical. Yes, macam you don't have to squeeze or anything. Great. Tekan je bagus gila. I've always dreamed like to have this kind of macam buka je macam ni, macam tekan-tekan. I mean like I don't have to macam wash, gotta do extra hygiene for my hands macam, sebab dia tak perlu tekan sangat. You just put on your hands, easy. Dia macam roll. They are so innovative and good. No wonder they become like one of the most skin product yang good skin like macam. Wow, look at this. This is so pretty. This one is aqua hydrating gel. This one is moisturizer. Ta-da! This is the sunblock SPF 55. SPF meaning it's cover everything, UVA, UVB, which is good, and this is so nice and cute. These are all the Dr. Co product that I get today for my skin because it's reacting up, so I need to sweeten my skin back with all these good ingredients. So yeah, stay tuned for the results.